In AutoCAD, a BLK file defines attribute extraction templates. It tells the software which data to pull from a drawing. It's a settings file, not a drawing itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain how to use it. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single BLK file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A BLK file is associated with AutoCAD, a CAD, computer-aided design software. It serves two primary purposes: storing reusable blocks, collections of objects, and defining aliases for commands. Blocks can be inserted multiple times within a drawing, saving time and ensuring consistency. Aliases provide shortcuts for frequently used commands. AutoCAD BLK files adhere to a specific internal structure defined by Autodesk. Block definitions include geometric data, attributes, and insertion points. Aliases are stored as simple text mappings, associating a short alias with a longer command string. These files are typically stored within AutoCAD's support file search path. The application responsible for generating the BLK file is typically Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD by Autodesk, Inc. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows shows only limited details, so accessing these files depends on the engine or compatible modding utilities. Your first test is essential. Right-click the BLK file and select Open With. Use Autodesk AutoCAD XCAD first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. If your BLK file still refuses to open, stay calm. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .blk files are registry backup files and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, use Registry Editor. Open the Registry Editor, Regedit, go to File, Import, and select the BLK file to restore the backup. Advanced caution required. Finally, check Associated Program. If the file is part of a specific program, use the program's restore function. If those BLK compatibility checks failed, it is often because the specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your BLK file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to FileMagick.com for the program. Until the next video, goodbye. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.